Good day, ma'am. I'm Agpong Nilajan S from Base Cream 3D. I'm here to discuss what I have learned last meeting. Difference between heat and fire. Heat is a form of energy that causes a rise in temperature. Makapataas sa temperatura. Mauna ang heat. Then, fire is the result of rapid burning combustion that produces heat, lights, and flames. Paspas nga pagkasunog nga makaproduce og kainit, kasiga na. Then number 2, modes of heat transfer. Naay tulo: conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction, heat transfer through direct contact. Example, a metal rod kanang mag welding kanang lanayon bitaw ang kanang rod, welding rod na. Then convection, heat transfer through movement of fluids like air or water. Example is kanang magpabukal kag tubig, boiling water. Then radiation, heat transfer through electromagnetic waves without a medium. Example is kanang heat from the sun na. Then number 3, stages of fire. Nay upat ka stage, nay ignition stage, growth stage, fully developed stage, decay stage. First is, let me discuss the ignition stage. Fire starts when fuels, heat, and oxygen combine. Kailangan naagi ng fuels, heat, and oxygen combine para magsugod ang kalayo. Then, growth stage, fire spreads and increases in intensity. Kanang dali nga pagkatag sa kalayo, then paspas. Then, fully developed stage, fire reaches maximum burning. Kanang nangasunog na ang palibot. Then next is decay stage. Last, fire weakens or fuel is oxygen reduces. Kanang wala na kapitan ang kalayo tao, din wala na say oxygen. Muna ang decay stage kanang hapit na maugnaw. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.